Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify weekly on settings. The first page of settings like this. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Shopify and you will click. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store and you will uninstall your app, then you will uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your